Hello friends, in today's video I am going to show you a powerful function to join text. So on the screen you can see first name and last name. Now let's say you want to create a full name. So typically people use concatenate function which is very popular. So I will quickly show you how it works. So equal to concatenate text1 comma text2 bracket complete enter. So this is how concatenate function works. Now I am using Office 365 online version. So in this case, maybe you are able to see the space between Rahul and Sharma automatically. But if you, let's say, use it in your Excel, let me remove this. It looks something like this. There is no space. So in that case, you have to put extra space between two characters like this, comma, enter. Like I have put it for all the references. So I go back to my online version of Office 365. So let me quickly show you how text join function works. So in concatenate, you have had to choose each and every cell. Instead of that, in text join, you will use range. So equal to text join. So we are using separator. Then we want to ignore empty cell. So for that I say true, comma, I put cell range, enter. So this is how it will work. Now in the old version of Excel, this text join function is not available. So I recommend that you take the free version of Office 365 which is available online, and then you can practice. But in the newer versions, this formula is available. So this is how text function works. Now let me insert one column. Now the range is like this. Now what if I had not put this true? Instead of true, if I had put false, and if I put, let's say, dollar sign here, so it would look something like this. But now let's say I need middle name also, so I say middle name Rahul. I'm putting some random names here, let's say Mahesh, Bhaskar, Venu, Adam, Bob, let's say. So instead of false, I say true, enter. So as you can see, I have given space between these two colons. So there is space between all the characters. Like let's say if I remove the space is only between Rahul, Mahesh, but Mahesh and Sharma, there is no space. So I just put the space and copy and paste it, so there is space everywhere. Now let's say if I wanted to repeat this in the concatenate function, so in that case I will put d8, enter. So as you can see, again there is no space in Mahesh and Sharma. Now in this case, what to do? Now let's say I add fourth column here, and let's say city name. Let's say Mumbai, Delhi, Bangalore, London. I extend this formula to column F, enter. As you can see, now I don't need to worry about space. There is space every time. On the right side, if you see column I, text join function, there is space every time appearing between every new cell that I add. But let's see, in case of concatenate, wherein still we have this range, Rahul, Mahesh, and Sharma, I have to put space separately between Mahesh and Sharma, then only the space is appearing. Now, next time, if I add the cell range, cell effect for city name, enter. Now, again, there is no space between Sharma and Mumbai. So, I have to repeat this process of putting the space here. So, this becomes very tedious task. Instead of that, text join helps in case there is a big range of cells which you want to combine. So this is the power and usefulness of text join function. If you have liked this video, please hit the like button, share this with more and more people, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.